Good people, it's 2. I'm here today to do a video on the multi-charts that I have on my screen here. They come into play and are very useful when you want to see a different time frame and get a different analysis off of that time frame. So with that being said, we're going to get into it. So right now I have the pair US 30 on my charts. Let me get my drawing tool here. So I got US 30 on my charts, and that's on both charts that I have set, right? And then I have the time frame of M1, and then I have M15. Now I know we have this new update here, but honestly, the double chart thing, multi-chart thing has already been here. I'm seeing an opportunity. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in that. And then, hold on. Oh, I cannot see it. Let's see if that's okay. What I was trying to do, 34492. 34492. So I'm gonna go 91. Let's see if we can get some profits off of that one right there. So the whole purpose that we're here, guys, is for the double chart thing. I want to show you how to do it. Okay, so while we wait on that trade to come and give me some profits here, we'll go hop into it. So bam, I'm bringing up this wheel. What I did was tap the screen, and when I tap that screen, you'll see this right here. Now on the MT5 or MT4 before the update, you would see it somewhere up in here, somewhere. I don't remember exactly where it was, but it was up there, right? But that's all it is, guys. Once you see that, you can click new window. All right, I already have 2. These are my 2 here. And then when you click new window, you can tap on, let's say, the top one there. You can choose to remove it if you want. I'm not going to remove mine. Or you can show them, like I have mine with them horizontal, okay, one on top of the other, or you can have them side by side. All right, if you want a new window, which I don't think that I can do, right? I got 2. I think 2 is max. You would have the option to click new window. All right, I don't know what else you want to know. If there's something that I missed here that you want me to dive deeper in, let me know. But yes, guys, please utilize the double chart option here, because you can see different time frames, and I promise you it helps, right? So as y'all see, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you about this trade I just placed, right? As you can see, there was a lot of rejection right there off of 34461. 34461. Okay, so I saw it and I said, okay, what I'm gonna do is look for an opportunity for a buy. So I click buy. I'm a scalper. I don't need freaking 100 pips when I'm scalping. All I honestly need is about 2, sometimes to about 10 pips. But average, I'm not gonna say average, but I stay between 2 to 20 pips. So what we're waiting to do now is see price jump to where it's supposed to be, or where I think it's going to be, which is right here, 34491. And having these double charts help me, right? Because I see all of this rejection off of that 34461, right? And then I look up here to my bigger time frame, and sometimes I'll get into it in a second. I look at the bigger time frame, and I look at my other rejection that I set there. Now I like to have this one down here, this chart here, with no indicators on it, so I can see the price action very clearly. Sometimes I don't need it when the market is doing exactly what I think it should do. And as y'all can see right there, I'm going to screenshot that, but I'm in profit, and it's going to close out in a second. The strategy that you see up here is my 2 par 3.0 strategy. It has a lot of indicators. So what? It works for me, right? But it's based off of the parabolic SARs and some MAs. I also have a bottom window that I use here that you can't see, that's really squished up. But typically when it's showing, there's a lot of indicators down there. I know what I'm looking for. If you want to know what I'm looking for, you can reach out to me on Telegram. I do one-on-one sessions, so just reach out to me if you want one of those, and we can go from there, and I can teach you how I trade. But in the meantime, this particular video is to show you how to get yourself 2 charts based off of this little thing right there, whether it's sitting here or whether it's up here. That's a weird cross. Up here somewhere, okay? Y'all see how I was in profit and I lost my profit? I'm a scalper. I would have took that if I wasn't doing the video, but it's gonna hop back in profit. Anywho, that's part of my level-to-level training, the 2 reject concept. So with that being said, I will wait until I get in profit again, and then I'm gonna end this video. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. Help me out, guys. Talk to me. Let me know what you want to know, and I'll give it to you. And if you're curious who I trade with a prop firm called Alpha Capital Group. If you want a discount, guys, I got a 20.5% discount. That is in the description. I can also put it in the comments out there, so it's just right there for you to see. But they are an amazing prop firm that has balanced based drawdown. Don't ever choose a prop firm that has equity based. I will say that until I am dead. That is what I believe in. If you want me to do a video on that, let me know. All right, I'm back in profit. I'm going to go ahead and close this video because I know I'm going to end in profit. One love, much love, 2 out. I'm back in because I'm looking at the time, guys. Hey, we about to close out in profit. I'm not going to close it out. I thought I would let you see it because guess what? Either before or when we hit that increment of 5 minutes. I got a timer on my chart, guys. But when we hit that increment of 5 minutes, price is going to jump up and it's going to close out my trade for me in profit. All right, we're 25 seconds in. $33 seconds in. If you want to stay, you can stay. If you want to go, you can go, guys. Hey, I just had to show y'all that. Bam. All right. Almost. We had like, what? I don't know. Less than 20 seconds left. Yeah. I'm out for real now. Ciao.